showing the front camera in action. And yeah, I think I went over most of the drops. Let's go ahead on forward here a bit. These are some new trails BLM just mapped out for us. It's kind of nice. These are really close to town, so super convenient if I want to just do something like this, just a really quick test like this. Yeah. That crap clanking around is like I have a shackle under the seat. I got a bunch of tie downs and 8-track clips and so all kinds of junk out there, but stuff's handy if you ever need to get yourself out of a sticky situation. Alright. So climb this. This one obviously has been rutted by a bunch of 2-wheel drives, which I'm in 2-wheel drive. I guess I should maybe put it in 4-wheel drive. Let's try that again. Because now I'm digging the holes with everyone else. Okay, but see, here's a good example where you can't really see out front. I can't see over the hood, but with this camera, I can see what I got coming, so I don't high center myself on some big rock or something. All right, we can turn around here. Yeah, you can see everything. There's a rock, not too big. All right, let's go ahead and turn around. Here's an example. So I would have no idea where that big hill is, but if I pull up against it, you can see it in the camera real nice. And I can tell, yeah, it's a big hill. Okay. Let's head back down. Okay. This is also post the 2-inch level lift. So this I can see when I'm going down. See these big huge holes. And people left coming down here into going up there into Of course the rear I've got set up full time as well, so I can see in the rear if I'm like going over something and it's, you can see like that big rock right there. Not that big, I guess. You kind of get the idea of how helpful these cameras are in a 4-wheel drive like this. Yeah, a 2-inch level has better shock value too, so you can kind of feel it when you get over something, especially going through like whoops, you know, where it really would normally kind of sack out the front end. It no longer does. Some pretty good hits, but coast right over it pretty good. There's a good hit. You can feel how progressive the shocks are. They, you know, when you go over this stuff, they're soaking it up really pretty well. But when I hit something hard, it really takes the blow out of it. You can tell they firm up a lot, and it keeps it from really sacking out. Well, there you go. And then I can switch so both cameras are on. There we go. Yeah. So now you can see out the back, you can see out the front as well. And then I can switch to just the front cam too. And it's actually a DVR also, so I'm recording all this. looks like.